There is plenty of play in this yard, anchored by our Hudson Yard play structure. From scaling the heights to swinging through the air with the greatest of ease, to sliding and riding the waves. There's no rest on this structure. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe there is a place to take a break. Hudson Yard easily caters to a crowd of 5 to 12-year-olds. It's packed with plenty of physical and mental exercise and challenge in a mid-sized space with room enough for other popular playground features. It all starts small at ground level with a rain wheel. A bench panel is a great place to rest, socialize, and recharge for the next adventure. There are several ways to move up, down, and all around. The transfer station steps are a fast and easy access point. The pebble path is a little more of a challenge, a great way to develop balance and confidence. You'll get there, young one. The pod climber carries kids up or down from the 4-foot-high deck. Up top is a finger maze panel. You can follow the flower from start to finish without raising a finger. Really, the trick is to find the way. A double wave slide gives riders a fast ride down. Call it seat surfing, and with friendly competition too. Swing, hang, and hold on to the overhead straight snake loop ladder. It builds upper body strength and confidence, a sense of both fun and accomplishment. Everything a playground set is meant to do. Hudson Yard from playgroundequipment.com. Perfect play in a perfect package.